Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about Ruby Refi reviews? Watch the video till the end because today we are going to review this website and you will be having unbiased review regarding this website. So let's check out the details. Like it is the trending business to customer e-store situated in United States. The website deals in multiple items concerning electronics, beauty, health, home, garden and kitchen, etc. Furthermore, the site seems partly organized as it has divided its entire collection into different categories. And on the website's homepage, people will find trending deals such as tattoo removal cream, liquid fertilizer, hair spray, eyeshadows, window puzzles, etc. So let's check out the specification of this website. It was registered on 26th April 2021. They have newsletter, but no official address is mentioned. No, they have mentioned the email address which is matching the domain name, which is a good sign, but no contact detail can be found on the website. They have not discussed their delivery charges, and the shipping time they have mentioned on their website is 10 to 20 business days. Moreover, no exchange policy is applicable on sale items. So the positive point of shopping from Ruby Rufi is that it has a massive clearance sale on it where you can grab up to 50% instant off. The site is HTTPS protected. It has verified mail server. It has divided its entire range of products into different categories. The negative point of shopping from Ruby Rufi are there is no feedback available on the internet. It is a young site. Its user interface is not impressive. Its Facebook page has gained only 21 followers. So we are concerned either this is a legit or a scam. For this purpose, we are going to check out certain parameters, so we will be able to decide either this is a legit or a scam store. As we have discussed, it was created on 26th April 2021, just for 1 year. Like it will expire on 26th April 2022, which is not a good sign. As far as the social media connections are concerned, there is no social media link available on the website, but we have found site's official Facebook page with just 21 followers. There are 5-star rating and positive reviews available on the website, but on any other platform we are unable to find any review. The company physical address is not mentioned. Customer reviews are not available. The content is seems to be plagiarized. Its trust score is just 1% and trust rank is 4.8 out of 100. And as it is providing 50% off on entire collection, which is not a good sign. It seems to be unrealistic discount. As we have seen 5-star rating and decent feedback on the website under every item, but on the internet there is nothing published regarding Ruby Refi. Moreover, no customer shared their experience regarding its cosmetic items on its official Facebook page. So as the site is not popular yet, so in conclusion we can say that as we have researched in detail the website rubyrefi.com, and after considering all the parameters, we conclude that the rubyrefi.com is a questionable store. Therefore, please avoid the thought of buying from it, as the store is unable to qualify for our legitimacy test.